Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create job alerts on Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now, when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. For starters, we have community where you can go and click on this post button to post yourself by yourself, or you can go and post some other stuff here, see what other people posted. Also, we have jobs where you can go and search for jobs, of course. So you can find your perfect job, put the location and click search to find what's near you. Also, we have the companies. So find a workplace that works for you. This is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company, like where you type here and click on search. We also have the salaries. So are you paid fairly? Find out here. Basically, you can put your job title and location to find out if you have been paid fairly enough. Also, in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to create job alerts on Glassdoor. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be telling you to know how to do it in no time. So click on the Glassdoor profile icon, click settings in the drop down menu. On the left hand column, select email and notifications and click the toggle so that it turns green and to turn job alerts on. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.